The third exercise is called love and E. In German language, one says E, you say E for this letter. And it begins in the heart, and you feel towards the periphery. Wow. And you try to experience love in your heart, and you let it stream forward, and maybe even the arms follow a bit. Love. And then you realize that in a way you also have to protect yourself, and you make the gesture of protection in front of you. E. And then you let go. The second time, use your heart to feel the love it's contained in it. Let it flow forward. Love. Let go. Find yourself in the gesture of protection. E. And maybe start directly from here. Love. And E. And feel yourself protected behind this gesture and safe. Love by order isn't, you can't just love. But in a way, we human beings, one can also say we consist of love. And in our body, there's such a lot of energy of love. And the heart is nothing else but love. So it's just connecting. It's not such a personal love, I love you, but it's the quality of being able to unite, to open and to say yes, and to really embrace things. And now we do not make an O where we normally embrace something, but we try to embrace the whole world. But we still try also to stay connected with our heart forces, my center, because if I lose my center, there wouldn't be anybody to embrace the world. So that's the precondition. So even if your hand don't go, the most important thing is that you stay here. And from there, that the heart likes. And use your body feeling. We start to, and just spread out. And the O gesture, the embracing gestures, you just feel the periphery and you follow the periphery a little bit forward. You feel this, you embrace the world, but the world embraces me. And in a way you will notice you are on your toes now. If you are not on your toes now, you haven't activated all love energy you have. So just put a little bit of more of it in it. And then we do in a way the contrary. We become aware of our center and we return to our center. The gesture of protection, E. And when you do this, the same happened to you than to me. Now I'm on my heels, or I feel my boys and my heels, and have a strong connection to the earth through my heels. And the art is now to reactivate the feeling of love, the feeling of embracing, and to find a balance from my being on my heels and my having been forward again, so that I come into my middle in a different way than before. From the heart, love, E, love, E. Just let go. Feel your body.